Hi guys, my name is Ismail. I am a Microsoft MVP for Developer Technologies. Today I'm going to guide you through how to import an Excel file and create a SharePoint list using that Excel file. First, I have this Excel file under my documents. In this, I have this SharePoint site. Under documents, I have this album XLS file. So it has some information about some music information. It has this title, the genre, and the price, artist, and the album URL. And also it's inside a table. So a table, and then just close it. This is under upload under documents. You go to the site contents. Under site contents, you just click new and list. You can give it a name. I'm going to say okay, my music album. And next step, you just click from Excel. You click from Excel, all the Excel files you have uploaded inside your document folder will be listed here. I'm going to click my album Excel. Let's click and then click next. What it does was it just imports. Now you will see all the tables available inside your Excel. Currently you have this albums table, nothing else. I have this table, and then you will see this top row. These are the type of the field inside the list. So currently it has picked up the title as the title field, and then the genre as a single line of text. If you want, you can just change these items, and then again price is automatically picked up as a number and single line of text for the artist and for the album URL. Everything looks fine, so I'll just click create, and this will import all your list here. So wait a few minutes and then it will import your list. Now you have successfully import your Excel file as a list. Now you can see the title, genre, price, artist, all this information here with the data. Now you can straight away use this list inside your Power App.